Okay, so today what we're going to do is talk about finding angles from the unit circle. Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're finding angles from the unit circle, all right? Finding angles from the unit circle, all right? So the first 6 questions, we already know the angle. So the first 6 questions is what we did on Friday, all right? And I just wanted to do a little review of that to make sure we can see the difference between the two, okay? So example 1, sine of 30. We go to 30 degrees. Sine is the y value, which is 1/2, right? Theta equals 1/2. Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Okay. Example 2. Cosine of 150. Cosine is the x value. 150 is here. The x value is negative square root of 3 over 2. Okay, that's my answer. Negative square root of 3 over 2. Tangent of 300. Okay, 300 is here. Tangent value is on the outside. It's just going to be negative square root of 3. Okay, thumbs up. Let me see. Am I good? Everybody good? Okay, no sideways. If I see any sideways, everybody's good? Okay, let me keep going. You guys are absent Friday, okay? Okay, 7 pi 6. So sine is the y value, and every point has an x and a y, okay? Every point has an x and a y. So let's go to 7 pi 6, which is right there. There's 7 pi 6. I want the y value, which is a negative 1/2. Okay, negative 1/2. Now, cosine of negative pi thirds. Now, we got to go down. Pi thirds is here. Do you see it? Pi thirds is here, but a negative pi thirds would be to here. Same distance, just rotating down. So this is where I'm at, and I want the cosine of that, which is the x value, which makes it at a 1/2. 3 pi fourths for tangent. Yeah, exactly right, Alondra. 3 pi fourths is here. Tangent value is on the outside. Negative 1 is totally right. Theta. Oops. It's not theta. It's not theta. Nah. Oh well. It is just negative 1. It's the value. Okay, now let's do the opposite. So when you see this little inverse, you see this little symbol right here. You see that little negative 1? It means find the angle. Okay? When you see this little negative, this, in fact, we even did that when we were doing our regular trig with our triangles. Whenever we push the inverse button, right? Whenever we found, and we pushed, I'll give this back in a second. Whenever we push this blue button, we're finding an angle, right? Remember that? Same thing here. Whenever we get the negative 1 or the inverse button, we're going to find the angle. So, yeah, you can. Some of these you can do in your calculator, yes. So, sine inverse of 1/2. So we find a y value of 1/2. So y value of 1/2 happens at 30 degrees and at 150 degrees. But we want the one that's closest to 0. So we take 30. We don't need the 150, just the 30. Okay, cosine is the x value. And we're looking for negative square root of 3 over 2 for the x value. Okay, and I find 2 of them. Okay, negative square root of 3 over 2 is here at 150 degrees. Or it's here at 210 degrees. Which one's closest to 0? The 150. Okay. Tangent square root of 3. We're looking for the x, the y over the x, or the values on the outside. Square root of 3 is right here, which is 60 degrees, but it's also at 240. So it's 60 and 240 is both. Okay, you see it? So we want the 60. Okay, because 60 degrees is closest, right? Now, sine inverse of 2. It's a trick question. There's no 2 on the inner circle. You're totally right, Alondra. There's no 2. And the reason why is it's called the unit circle. What's the radius? What's the length of the radius? So I can get up to 1, but can I get to 2? I can't get 2. So this one's just going to be undefined. In fact, if you tried it on your calculator, you're going to get a weird answer anyway. So if you say, okay, all right, what is, see if you try this on your calculator, when sine inverse of 2, it says domain, it doesn't like that because it's out of the domain, okay? All right, now let's use a calculator. Now the next thing, these are not on the unit circle. So if they're not on the unit circle, let's just use a calculator. So cosine of 0.6. Okay, so let's go cosine inverse, right? Cosine inverse of 0.6. And I can answer about 53.1 degrees. Okay, now is there another angle that might have that same cosine value? Okay, so if I look at 53 is here, there would be another one, but it'd be over here, okay? Yeah. But if I'm between 0 and 180, that's my only answer. It's the only answer between 0 and 80, so it's just the 53. There's another one down here, but we don't need that one because we want only the angles between 0 and 180, okay? Sine of 0.8. Okay, so let's go sine inverse of 0.8, 53.1. Okay. Is there another angle with that sine value between 90 and 270? Okay, 90 is here and 270 is here. Nope, because it would have to be over here in this quadrant. So nope, that's it. That's the only answer. And finally, tangent. I do tangent inverse. Oop, clear. Tangent inverse of negative 1.3. And I can answer negative 52. Now that's a problem. I got theta equals negative 52 degrees. Is that between 0 and 180? No, so we got to make an adjustment. Let's draw a picture. Let's take a look. Okay, negative 52 degree angles here, right? The other one is way over here. The other angle I want to look at is, let me see if I can highlight it. The angle I really want is this angle right there. Okay, how do I find that angle? Come on, it's easy. Think about your geometry. How do I find that angle right there? It's easy. Say it, Londa, you're right. You're right. 180. We're just going to go and add 180 to it. And I'll get the other angle. It's just geometry. So if I go plus 180, I get 127.5. That's it. That's all I have for you. I will change this to 3 to 25 odd. Highlight that. Okay. Pretty easy. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay. Yeah.